If you want to move data from the USB flash drive or to the USB flash drive on POCO F8 Pro or POCO F8 Ultra, then in that case, once you connect your USB device, we need to go to the app drawer and we need to open the file manager. We're gonna use this file manager over here. Now, in this case, you can go to browse over here, and let's say we want to transfer something from the phone to the flash drive first. In that case, in browse, we can try to search for our item in the internal storage, for example. We can also use these categories if it's easier for you that way. And let's say we're gonna select a couple of different, in this case, photos. We're gonna choose move at the bottom of the screen. Then over here we can choose the USB storage, and of course we need to decide where these files should be moved to. So let's say I'm gonna choose this DCIM folder, and we're gonna tap on this check. And that is pretty much it. Now if I go to the USB device and open the folder, I have my files in here. And if you want to transfer something from the flash drive to your phone, then you can do pretty much the same thing, but in browse we need to go to USB device first, and once again we need to locate our files. So over here I have the same files that I transferred. We need to select them, and we need to choose move again. And of course we decide to transfer to the internal storage this time. Select where you want to transfer, and that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.